About a week ago I made a video about OnePlus 12, and somehow accidentally managed to activate the irritate mode on a few folks in my comment section for comparing the OnePlus 12 with the new Samsung S24 Ultra. So this is my review on new 2024 Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before we get into all of that, let's get into the unboxing. So we all know that Samsung's Ultra phones are like the king of Android smartphones. It's just everything in one place. It's got all the best hardware and all the software in one phone. Now, from the design standpoints, this S24 Ultra looks exactly like the last year's S23 Ultra. But as we all know, looks can be deceiving. The Samsung S24 Ultra has a sleek and stunning design that will catch your eye. It features a sturdy shield of titanium built right into the frame, giving it a solid and durable feel. The device is also IP68 water and dust resistant, so you don't have to worry about accidental spills or splashes. This phone comes with 6.8-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X screen. Unlike the curved screen in S23 Ultra, this phone has a flat screen with a slight curve between the side rails and the screen. This makes it comfortable to hold and easy to use with one hand. And I kind of like it because now it's easier to apply screen protectors and cases. It also has a resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz, and a peak brightness of 2600 nits, which means you can see the screen clearly even in bright sunlight. The display also supports HDR10+, which means you can enjoy vivid and realistic colors and contrast. The device also comes with a matching S Pen, which is a stylus that lets you write, draw, and control your phone with precision and ease. Now, let's talk about the performance. The Samsung S24 Ultra is powered by a custom-tweaked Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset for performance, which is one of the most advanced and powerful processors in the market. It has an 8-core CPU that can handle any task you throw at it, whether it's multitasking, gaming, or streaming. The device also comes with 12 GB of RAM, which means you can run multiple apps and tabs without any lag or slowdown. The device also has an internal storage of up to 1 TB, which means you can store all your photos, videos, music, and files without worrying about running out of space. Now I feel like we should talk about the biggest improvement in this device that makes it ahead of its time. This device is equipped with an array of impressive features because of the new Galaxy AI. First off, it has an instant slow-mo feature that can transform any video into a cinematic masterpiece. It also boasts a generative wallpaper and image editor that allows you to personalize your device like never before. But that's not all. The Galaxy AI 2024 also includes a voice meeting apps with transcription and summarization capabilities, making it an ideal tool for professionals. One of its standout features is the circle to search function, which lets you search for anything on your screen with just a simple gesture. Lastly, it comes with a smart keyboard that not only assists with chat but also offers live translation. This makes communication seamless, no matter where you are or what language you speak. Next, let's talk about the battery. The Samsung S24 Ultra is equipped with a 5000 mAh Li-ion battery that can last you all day and more. It supports 45W wired charging, which means you can charge your phone up to 65% in just 30 minutes. Well, it's not as fast as like the 120-watt charging in Xiaomi phones or OnePlus phones. But still that's impressive, considering the size and power of the device. The device also supports wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, which means you can charge your other devices like earbuds or smartwatch by placing them on the back of the phone. Finally, let's talk about the camera. The Samsung S24 Ultra features a quad camera setup that will make you feel like a professional photographer. It has a 200MP primary camera, a 50MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens. The primary camera can capture stunning photos and videos with incredible detail and clarity. The telephoto lenses can zoom in on distant objects without losing quality. The ultra-wide lens can capture more of the scene in one shot. The device also has a 12MP selfie camera that can take beautiful selfies and portraits with bokeh effect. So, that's the Samsung S24 Ultra, the ultimate smartphone for anyone who wants the best of the best. It has a gorgeous design, a brilliant display, a powerful performance, a long-lasting battery, and a versatile camera. It also comes with a matching S Pen that adds more functionality and fun to your phone. If you're interested in buying this device, you can check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching Tech Talk, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you next time.